So again, we're going to start the fire on the upwind side. You start a smaller fire down below, and hopefully it pushes into the big fire.
Why do you have to add wood to wood?
Well, we want to start a really good hot fire here, and like you're never going to get, unless you douse it with all kinds of gasoline and stuff, you're never going to get this to start. So you start a good fire here that'll sustain itself, and it'll slowly heat up and eat into the big pile.
Is it damp too?
It's damp today too because it's 0.
Yeah, but would the wood all be damp in here in this pile?
In this pile?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's gonna, I mean, it was a lot of dry wood, but there is a bit of, you could see the brown leaves.
Yeah.
There was a few trees that were still half alive.
Oh, okay.
Give it a little bit of waste oil. Help the dampness.
Can't be much in there. I carried that up and it's not...
Oh, yeah, it doesn't take much.
No.
Doesn't take much.
The rake and the shovel are handy for us to...
Yeah, it's in the garage.
Throw that coat on there anytime too.
Still lots of life.
No. What do you think I bought the other one for? All right. I want to keep the hobo coat. I guess every guy's got his comfies, eh? It's going to take a little bit. Gotta reuse these, don't we? all of a sudden warmed up, huh?
Yeah, it warmed up on it.
What happened?
Vaughn broke my rake.
I did not. Uh,
So in springtime, we're gonna get about 20 yards of gravel brought in here and level this area out. That's the first project in the spring. And get a proper floor in the garage.
oh, so gravel in there too.
Yep.
Dig out around the building, okay?
Make sure everything's draining good. We don't usually have a problem up here, but it's easier to, gravel keeps ticks away.
That's true. Why is there gravel going over here? Stay tuned.